Alright guys, we're all done with the 3D handprint, and this is going to be holding my card holder and my nameplate at the bottom. Now this part right here, I want you to know, let me scoot this out. This is not part of the handprint. I made this myself to create a support system, because I had to cut some of this off where the nameplate was going to go underneath, and it looked kind of narrow here, and I knew it was tall, so I didn't want that to catch on the print nozzle and crack it off. So it worked well with this support right here, and I'm going to go ahead and crack it off the bed myself. Almost the same size as my hand. I wish it was a little bit bigger. If I did it over again, I would have increased the size a little bit. Oh. Well, at least we cracked off the support system there. Almost all of it. So I got a couple little support tabs on here I can break off. Might have to file them down a little bit, but not too much. Pretty nice. Smooth bottom. No stringing. Very smooth print. Very impressed with it. Alright guys, I got it off the printer. Looks pretty good. Not too many rough spots. I'm very surprised. Any spots I saw, I just took my little file here and filed them off. Filed off some of the edges down here. And if you'll notice, I made like a notch right here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but a notch on this finger, a small notch up here, which I actually added a small support there that I filed off right here, just like that, and smooth that off. And then I also have a notch on the thumb right there. See that notch there? The reason I have that notch is because I wanted this card holder to go in place here on that notch on the thumb and the notch over here as well. And that's where I'm going to place a couple dabs of super glue and hold this in place like that. So when it sits down here, it'll be like that, holding up Take a Card, which will be one of my business cards. And then I've got this. And this was angled. Remember, this had the support on it on the printer bed. Now I've taken the support off, filed any residue down there, and that will fit at this angle, whoops, like that. And so all this, I'll put a few dabs of super glue on this too, and then it should all be done just like this, all in one piece. And notice I like this gold here, this really silky gold filament. I'll leave the link for that silky gold filament in the description below. But it's really amazing. These look like real gold blocks in person. Alright guys, my project business card holder is truly done now. and take a look at it. It's made up of 3 pieces. Of course, the hand in the back I made out of a different PLA material. It's got kind of like that stone or marble type finish. And then this awesome gold color right here. I made the card holder and the nameplate with that. So it's attached by super glue in 3 spots on the card holder here. These 2 fingers and the thumb area right there. And then this is attached by super glue down here. And it's all one piece now. I like it. Holds a good amount of business cards here. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and upload this material or this design, the STLs, to Thingiverse on my account. So if you want to get like a perfect size business card holder, maybe take that off, put your whatever you want on there, maybe put your name on here. If you want to take this shape or whatever and overlap it and put your name on there. And of course the hand, and notice how I printed this hand so it was angled shape to match this name label pointed up at an angle. And I made it like that so I could have it in 2 different colors, because if you make a whole print in one color, you don't see some of the details. You miss out on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little short 3D printing creation. And guys, like I always say, I'll see you on the next video.